Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going on a ferry. My fiance's family is here, so they invited us to join them for a ferry. So Saket is taking shower, and after he gets ready we'll start. In the meanwhile, I thought, you know what, I'll make coffee for myself and milk for him. He drinks chocolate milk, so let's make that. Put you guys here. And most of my friends also asked me to share my cold coffee recipe. So for cold coffee, all I do is use an instant coffee. You can use any instant coffee that you want. The one I have is from Brew. This one is really nice because it is also good for hot coffee, so I prefer Brew. And then I'm gonna use a sweetener. This one is jaggery powder. And then just use a fancy tool or just a spoon to mix it. You can use anything, or the simple frother. This one is from Bloom. This one I got it on Amazon for like $6. I used many of these which were around like $15 to $20. Nothing worked. This one really worked. So yeah, this one is nice. That's it. I'm gonna take some ice and this is so hard. I'm just gonna use like 2 of these. You can use any milk, but oat milk tastes really good with iced coffee. I don't know why. I was never a fan of oat milk, but once I started using oat milk, then it's really good. Dairy is triggering my acne, and I don't know why. I felt I should stop using dairy a lot, and oat milk is really good substitute, so I started using oat milk. And this is Madam Coffee. I hope you guys also have a good cup of coffee at your home. We missed the ferry. మరి ఎవరి వల్ల మిస్ అయ్యాం
కవరింగ్ తెలియదు వెళ్ళామని చెప్పి రిటర్న్ జర్నీ ఫెరీ చూపించారు. ఇక్కడ కట్ చేస్తే అక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి వీడియో.
నో, బట్ అలా ఫేక్ చేస్తే ఫేక్ ఫెలో అని అంటారు. ఓకే, సో వి మిస్ ద ఫెరీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ చూపిండి ఫేస్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ గాయ్ we missed the ferry.
You should have driven the car.
We planned that, you know what, let's go by road. I thought there is only one way, that is ferry, but so he told me that we can also go by road, and it's around like 1 hour. Hi guys, so we just reached the location. It's so windy over here and also sunny, but yeah, finally after a long ride we reached the place. Look at this, guys. Now we are going to the place where all our family is, and we're just gonna go meet them, and then probably we'll go for lunch after this because it's already 1 o'clock and I feel I'm super hungry. But I should have bought my mic because of the wind. I feel the audio is going to be a little bad, but please bear with me, guys, for this one vlog. We just had a walk around the Bremerton walkway. We had a walk on the deck and now we are going to take the ferry again. We are stuck in the traffic and in 5 minutes the ferry is going to start. Hopefully we make it to the ferry again.
బయట బ్లాక్ చేయి ఫ్యూల్ పెట్టేది
Oh, we missed the ferry again, and this time we were in the line but the ferry was filled. Guess what? What happened, Saket?
What happened?
We are in the ferry, guys. Finally, this is the ferry line. We just took our ticket and we made it to the ferry. I didn't expect we will make it to the ferry, but thank God we made it to the ferry. It's 5:14 right now. This time we were like, let's start at 5 o'clock from wherever we are and we'll just reach the ferry. Took hazelnut latte. He took hot chocolate. And then we also had the grilled cheese at Starbucks, and yeah, we wanted to eat something but it's too late, so I was like, okay, let's go and see when we reach Seattle because the road now is so long and we just don't want to drive. He's so tired already, so